Hi everyone, just recording this as a proof of life that I'm still alive, still here, kicking away, seeing a mess of tiny C6s that I'm testing, Reflow Master Pros that I can now build again that I'm testing, packing bags, lots of bags, and then stacks of client boards, just buckets and buckets. These are just about maybe a third of them. The rest are downstairs. There's all different types of boards that I built that I have to now test and stuff. Not a lot to tell you all, really. Just plodding along. I was hoping to have my new motors and encoders here for my stream tomorrow. They tried delivering them on Saturday. No one was here. Surprise, surprise. It's a factory, commercial space, on a Saturday, and they wouldn't leave them. So now I don't know when I'm getting them, if at all. Stupid delivery people. So I was hoping to do that on my stream tomorrow, and that's not happening now. Don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but I do want to stream. I will stream. Just don't know what I'm going to stream. A bit of exciting news. I ordered these 3 months ago. 3 months it took. Not overly happy with the company. Company's called DWO. I bought a whole bunch of different, I'll go through these properly another time, but a bunch of different AMOLED screens. A whole assortment of things I bought. All different sizes. Didn't get any round ones though. But all sorts of things. Watch screens. With and without glass. They've both got touch. I've got with and without glass. On the front. I've got square screens, like square-ish ones. It's a bit hard to follow. Wider screens. I'm trying to find like longish, narrow screens. So much stuff here. Stuff like, nope. Oh, I should put that aside. Anyway, as I said, I need to go through all this with everyone at another time. Keeping it quiet on my channel at the moment, as in on my main stream. I'm not going to share this info yet because I don't know what I'm doing with it all. Stuff like this, like that size screen. That's actually a 2.4. That's the same as these are, believe it or not, in terms of a screen. Wait, is that the right one? Yeah, because it's the inside of this bit. The screen doesn't go edge to edge, obviously. That's the panel, nice and thin. So I've got like that, all sorts of things. I plan to experiment with them. I need to build PCBs. I need to work out how I'm going to even use them. They're all got, so that's like another longer screen. Some of them are similar to what LilyGo have got, although I think these are a different brand. Anyway, assortment of stuff, but they all use these really high density connectors, which I had a second ago. Oh god, I've missed this whole pile up. Where the connector's gone? No, lost them. But anyway, they use these really high density connectors. I've lost them. I'm doing a really good job of this. You can see I'm out of practice. Anyway. Oh, I can't find them. Doesn't matter. The point is, they're going to be a real bitch to put on. And I've only got like 5 of each. And let's see if I can find a screen to show you the connector. So these are a roundish squarish screen that there's the connector on the back, this thing here, and it's a super fine pitch. Let's see if I can get it off. There we go. It's like a super fine, hang on, try to hold it so you can see it, pitch thing, get the light right. So I'm not looking forward to doing that, and there's very little documentation for it. It's like a 0.3 millimeter pitch, no, less, anyway, 0.2 millimeter pitch. Either way, it's going to be fun. But I got a couple of the screens on PCBs with these broken out connectors and these, so I can like play with drivers and stuff as well, because I don't even know if there are drivers for any of these. So anyway, now I lost where I put the thing for it. Here it is. I just thought I'd share that quickly with you. But I ordered these, actually ordered them 5 months ago, and then after and paid, and then after like 3 weeks of waiting, he said to me, I got a message back, like I said, sent a message, where are they, when are they shipping? Oh, sorry, none of them are in stock, even though they all said they were in stock on the website. And I said, none of them? He goes, oh, like one of them out of the whole bunch was in stock. And I said, well, forget it, cancel my order. I said, can you email me when they're all back in stock? Which he didn't. So then I eventually emailed him like a couple of months later, are they all in stock? Yes, they're all in stock. Fine. So I ordered again, and then waited, they didn't ship. Hey, what's going on? Oh, actually 2 of them aren't in stock, and they were the 2 most important ones I wanted. They were the ones for a potential replacement for a watch face for my Tiny Watch, like an AMOLED version of Tiny Watch. And I said, but you said they were all in stock. And he goes, well, they were in stock when I told you. I said, but I ordered that same day. Didn't you put stuff aside for me? Like the order and paid right away on your website. He goes, sorry, they were gone, so I had to wait 2 months for the production run. He wouldn't send out what he had in stock and then send me them later. And it was like $118 US of shipping, so I had to wait. So anyway, they finally arrived about 2 weeks ago now, but I don't have time to work on them. But anyway, AMOLED screens of different sizes. Wouldn't mind coming out with some AMOLED shields rather than making full products with them. But anyway, we'll see what happens. That's it. That's all I'm going to share with you now. Hopefully see some of you on my stream tomorrow, if I can find something to do. Otherwise, I'm getting back to keep testing boards. Okay, thank you for being a supporter. Thanks for being a patron. However you support, that's awesome. Appreciate it. And I will catch you all later. Bye.